More workplaces in Maine are recognizing the importance of mental health.
From bonuses and time off to free mental health care, employers in our state are prioritizing their workers' well-being. Chris Costa takes a closer look for us.
At work, we're supposed to leave our issues at the door, but
sometimes you can't.
And employers are noticing.
Mental health is on the top of the list of challenges in the day-to-day workplace.
At Town and Country Federal Credit Union, staff now have access to free mental health care. It's a new benefit in partnership with UNUM. Human Resources Manager Betsy St. Pierre and her coworker found the program.
We were like, oh my gosh, this is perfect. Each person can be in a different place and there's still options.
When they presented the idea to company leadership,
the first words out of one of the manager's mouth was, "This is amazing. This stays parked at the bottom of the screen so you can click on it to get immediate help."
There are 3 different support pathways. Self-paced programs with exercises that help people identify symptoms and triggers of stress and build strategies to prevent them.
With the help of a certified coach.
There's also a coaching program through an app. It combines chat-based coach and peer support, virtual workshops, and more.
Take a personal assessment and schedule a video call.
And a 12-week treatment program, also through an app, for people dealing with anxiety, burnout, depression, and more, with support from licensed clinicians.
Because we're all in a different place on the mental health spectrum over the course of the year, right? 1 month we're doing great, 1 month we're maybe facing some more challenges.
And when there are obstacles to getting help, those challenges can feel even bigger.
The struggle is, it's just difficult to find a counselor that's accepting patients and being able to get an appointment. And by the time that they do, they're really needing that appointment like tomorrow, yesterday, last week.
If you're asking people to wait weeks and weeks, unfortunately, you might lose the motivation along the way. And so by being able to compress that time period, you can help ensure that folks are getting the support that they need.
Monitors the participants' progress.
So the virtual program taps into a nationwide network. An added benefit, the support is not just for employees, it's free for their families too. And employees do not have to have Town and Country's health insurance to get this benefit.
The first barrier I would always get to is, I can't afford it. And that's really sad if somebody needs help and they can't afford it.
In just over a month, more than 40% of employees have already enrolled.
We're getting the tools in their hands that they need to be able to help them manage their own mental health on their own.
This project is personal for Betsy. She struggled with depression herself.
Once you go through learning something and understanding something, it makes you stronger for something else. And I've had some time under my belt now to add to my tools to be able to handle those things.
Erasing the cost, enhancing the access, and ending the stigma.
It's about treating this the way we do our physical health.
We go for physicals every year. Why don't we spend time on our mental health on a regular basis? You need to take care of yourself so you can take care of others.
In Scarborough, Chris Costa, News Center, Maine.